everyone. All right, so if you remember from yesterday, we were working with coding unplugged, meaning that we weren't working with any digital software. But today you guys are going to be jumping onto the computer and going live with your coding and creating your algorithms to finish or complete programs. So the first thing that I need for you to do, you are going to go to your web browser once you've logged into your computers and go to code.org, code.org. Once you get to the web page, in the top right corner you're going to click on Sign In, and it's going to have multiple options. You don't actually have to create a new account for this, but if you click Continue with Google, it's going to pop up with your Google student.dodea.edu account. That is the one that you need to log in with. So you can simply log in with your student.dodea.edu email, and your password should automatically be saved, but if it is not, go ahead and click on your password. I'm going to use a different email for demonstration. So okay, once you've logged in with your email, in order to create your account completely, you need to go to the drop-down box that says Account Type. Here, go ahead and click on Student. Leave your display name exactly how it is and click on your age. For this example, I'm going to choose 10. And leave the gender optional section incomplete. You do not need to put anything in that section. Once you've completed this portion, go ahead and check the box where it says, I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. You can confirm with your parents if you'd like. Once you're finished, go to My Account. And it's going to open up with your dashboard. If it doesn't open up with your dashboard, you can simply access your dashboard with your search engine top bar right here. And then once you make it to this page, scroll down to the bottom. In order to join your class, simply type in your 6-letter code for Join a Section. For this class, your section code is XQGYDK. And it should pop up with Ms. Heinrich's name. Once Ms. Heinrich's course is up, go ahead and select Course E. Course E is going to open with several different lesson choices. For this class, you guys are going to go in numerical order. So we will start out with Lesson 1 for my robotic friends, the unplugged activity. And let's go ahead and
This is a fantastic lesson called My Robotic Friends. It's a lot of fun. We teach programming without using computers. So we get groups together where people program their robotic friends to stack cups in a certain configuration just by drawing arrows on paper. So right now we're implementing the activity that they've been working on. We had a programmer who wrote down this program using arrows, and we have a robot who's reading the arrows to try and figure out what they need to stack using the cups. So she'll translate the arrows into specific movements to try and make one of these stacks.
Alright, we'll go on to our next video, which is in Lesson 2. We are going to be working with a program called Blockly. So, at this point in time, you can pause the video on the question for feedback. Have you ever wanted to tell someone exactly what to do? And do they always listen? So today you'll be telling a machine what to do step by step, and it will listen. Here we go.
Today, we're going to learn to program using a drag-and-drop language called Blockly. Blockly uses colorful instructions called blocks to build programs that you can use to solve puzzles. Under the hood, you're still creating code. Each puzzle you'll solve with the code is split into 4 main parts. On the left is the play area, where your program will run. In the center, you will see the toolbox area that holds all the blocks that you will need for each puzzle. To the right is your workspace, where you will drag blocks to build your program. Finally, above the workspace, you will see the specific instructions for each puzzle. Don't worry if you accidentally drag out a block that you don't need. If you have an extra block, simply drag it back into the toolbox to put it away. After you hit run, you can always hit the reset button to get your character back to the start so you can try again.
Okay, you are ready to begin your lesson with Blockly, so go ahead and click continue. And you are ready to begin with your coding. Alright, have fun you guys. Sorry I couldn't be here during this lesson for you, but hopefully this video will provide some help and guidance. Have a good afternoon, guys.